The eagle is strong, it can fly very high. The owl is wise, it is active at night. The falcon is fast, it catches small animals. The hawk has sharp eyes, it flies over the forest. The vulture is patient, it flies for many hours. The parrot is colourful, it can copy sounds. The peacock has beautiful feathers, it lives in forests. The flamingo is pink, it stands on one leg. The penguin is funny, it cannot fly. The ostrich is very tall, it can run fast. The seal is playful, it loves swimming. The sea lion is friendly, it lives near the sea. The walrus is heavy, it has long tusks. The whale is enormous, it lives in the ocean. The dolphin is intelligent, it can swim very fast. The shark is dangerous, it has many sharp teeth. The octopus is clever, it has 8 arms. The squid is quick, it lives in the sea. The jellyfish is soft, it floats in the water. The starfish is amazing, it has 5 arms. The seahorse is small, it swims slowly. The crab has a hard shell, it walks sideways. The lobster is strong, it has big claws. The shrimp is tiny, it lives in the sea. The eel is long, it swims like a snake. The stingray is flat, it lives on the seafloor. The pelican is big, it catches fish. The stork is tall, it has long legs. The woodpecker is busy, it pecks trees. The robin is small, it sings beautifully. The canary is yellow, it sings every day. The swan is elegant, it swims on lakes. The crow is clever, it can solve simple problems. The raven is intelligent, it has black feathers. The heron is quiet, it stands in the water. The kingfisher is colourful, it catches fish. The toucan has a big beak, it eats fruit. The macaw has bright feathers, it lives in the rainforest. The cobra is dangerous, it can raise its head. The python is very long, it lives in forests. The chameleon can change colour, it climbs trees. The iguana is green, it likes warm weather. The gecko is small, it can climb walls. The scorpion is dangerous, it has a sharp tail. The tarantula is hairy, it is a large spider. The butterfly is beautiful, it flies from flower to flower. The dragonfly is fast, it flies over ponds. The grasshopper is green, it can jump very high. The praying mantis is patient, it waits for insects.